what's up guys? Good morning. Not really, it's like 4 p.m. I spent today just getting paint and sandpaper and ordering a bunch of crap. But before I start, remember to go vote. Seriously, go vote. I know the other competitions that did, or the other battles, it didn't really matter too much because we were like crushing them by like 3 or 4 times the amount. But this one's probably going to be a little bit harder. The standings are already in after day 1. We got 674 votes in one day, which is like the most I think there has been in one day in this competition. So absolutely crushed it there. The other guy got 372, so we're about exactly 2 times more than him, 300 give or take. But you know, that doesn't really mean anything unless you guys keep voting every single day. So be sure to go vote daily. Set an alarm, set it whatever. If it doesn't let you vote, usually it's because it has to be every 24 hours, not just like every day. So like if you voted at 12, vote at 12 again the next day. If you voted at 2, vote 2 the next day. That's kind of the easiest way to do it. But obviously, you know, getting this car to SEMA really means a lot because it'll open up a pathway into sponsorships and other bigger stuff. So I can do much more with this car in a build sense, and it'll definitely help the race season of next year with it. But anyways, today my goal is to just take off the front end and sand it down. I got a little bit higher grip paper. I have to fill all the holes and cracks and stuff on the front bumper and ponder them down, sand it down, and then just primer the front fenders and the front bumper and kind of prepare that for paint, so to say. And then for the car, I ordered, like I said, I already ordered both the glass, meaning the side mirrors, this and this, the glass inside of it because it's old and crusty. I ordered weather stripping for the quarter windows on both sides because it's complete crap, and we're going to be taking it off for paint and then putting it on the new one afterwards. I ordered hood latches to put in there so I can remove the whole OEM mechanism. I got trunk latches, the spring OMP race car latches that the race cars use, because I will be totally skinning my entire metal trunk to lose as much weight as I can, so I will have to remove the OEM latch mechanism because of that. And then I also ordered the quick release quarter turn things that go here. They're like little clips that just, it makes it easier to quick release. And then I got a new cowl for underneath the wipers because that one's totally crusty. And the grills I was going to order, but they're $90 each, brand new, and I think I can get maybe like $80 for 2 somewhere around here locally that are good enough. But yeah, just ordering as much little things as I can because they will be needed soon, because we are looking at paint in about a week or 2 depending on when the rest of the body comes. But I will probably either in tomorrow or after tomorrow's video start sanding down the entire car, because it will be needed soon. I think I'm done for today. I know I haven't really done much, but at least we're winning, right? Yeah, go remember that boat. So I'll just show you what I did really quickly. Fiberglass that hole back together, as you saw. This hole is actually supposed to be like this, and then there's a side skirt hole right here too that matches the length of that. So yeah, I did that. See what I did here. I bondoed up the holes that were there to there. I did the edge where I rejoined everything. Did this edge, did this hole, this entire edge, which I had to cut out and rejoin. And if you remember, I actually, well, you guys don't remember, but like I said, this was actually like out to here originally, and I had to cut all of this, and I had to cut this too, because otherwise this would have been against the tire. So I just put cardboard there and put fiberglass, and now it's an edge. And as if nothing ever happened. Basically, there's still little bits of it that I have to fill in, but we do have an edge again. Because otherwise, if you look, you wouldn't see this. You would just see the fiberglass on the inside of the bumper, and it looks a little bit cheap. So I just remade that. And yeah, I'm not gonna bother putting the parts on today because tomorrow I'll probably get a lot of work done. Where I need to rebuild those corners with Bondo. If you remember these corners right there, they came chipped already. So I sanded them down a little bit, gonna do that. And then, yeah, I can basically sand down, make it all perfect, spray it again with primer, spray the rear bumper with primer, spray the fenders with primer. Then we could kind of start prepping for paint, basically, and just start sanding the whole car and everything. So hopefully you enjoyed today's episode. I know it's kind of crappy and boring, but at least we're winning. I was really, really worried. Like, literally, my friend with the Fast and Furious Jet had messaged me, and he's like 674 votes, and I thought he was talking about himself, and then I looked, I was like, oh, thank God. It's like, you guys came in clutch, as always. Thank you so much, guys, for voting. Thank you so much. Because literally, I cannot do this without you. And this isn't even, like, me being, like, cliche. Like, I literally can't do it without you guys, because, you know, I need votes. But obviously, like I said, SEMA's going to do so much for the car. I'm really, really trying. As you saw, I spent like at least $400 in the past like 2 days just on super tiny little parts to get it looking more like a new M3 than a one that's however old it is, 17 years old. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll get more done.